This is in regards to a property at Anjuna. Yeah, Anjuna एक property है, which is a resort named Flushing Meadows. In 2005,
Introduce me.
uh,
Introduce me.
my name is Reggie Fernandez. I am the director of Stanford Ceramic Coating Private Limited, a company who later on buys this property. So let me start how it started. In 2005, there was Carl David Holiday Resort Private Limited, a company, two directors, Carl Allen Davis and David William Parker, bought the property in 2005. In 2006, they bought in a director, Krishna Venkatesh. He brought the funds, and at that time, Carl was paid. So Carl resigned as a director, and his name was deleted from the ROC's record as a director. So what remains, who remains is David and Krishna. Now they are running the resort. In fact, Krishna was running the resort, and David was behind helping him. In 2009, they wanted a loan. So no banks were financing them because they had not filed their returns. So they took a loan from a private financer in Bombay, which gave them 4 crore rupees loan in 2009. But the finance company had asked for a power of attorney of Carl, who had already resigned. And Carl knew that Carl gave the power of attorney, saying that he is expecting something more from the loan. So when they got the loan, they never paid Carl anything. So Carl, what he did, he filed a suit against David, Krishna and the company. By that time, Krishna had left. He had some personal issues and he was arrested. David went to England. The resort was shut. Now in that suit, Carl has appointed his own advocate for David and Krishna. And a court receiver was appointed in 2011. But the court receiver never came to the property. Now after 4 years, the finance company did not get the money, so they came. Under auction, they wanted to auction the property. That's when we bought the property. We did the sale deed, we did the mutation, and we renovated the whole place. We were not aware of that case. We leased it out to a Bangalore company. After, in 2016, the court receiver came to the property with the police. So we were out of the property and we handed over the property to the court receiver. And we went and became a party in the court, in the suit. This was in August 2016. We also availed of a loan from LIC after taking the property. LIC gave us the loan only on rent. So the fact that LIC gave us a loan speaks that our title was clear. Now in the same year, 2016, on 8th of December, there was one person named Ramosh Srivastava. He comes into the picture. He says he is the director of Carl David Holiday Resort Private Limited. And he shows a resolution saying that David Parker has signed and made him an additional director on 8th of December. And he comes to the court, he says he is the owner of the director of the company and the property belongs to him. And that same resolution is filed with the ROC. Now I was wondering, how would he become a director now? So I went to ROC and asked under RTI. They gave me the resolution. Resolution says 8 December 2016 meeting was held at the resort. How could the meeting be held when the court receiver was there in the property? That is one point. Secondly, I went to immigration department to get me the details of David Parker, because he being a foreigner, he was a UK national. They did not give me because they are not covered under RTI. So through Panjim police, I got an immigration report saying that David Parker left the country in 2015 and never came back. So in 2016, he is showing that the resolution is filed and signed by David Parker. Not only that, ED, Enforcement Directorate, came against Carl, against David and the company for FEMA violations. And they said, this was in 2017, they came in an order, and they said the property to be confiscated. Now confiscated means I am affected. So I went to ED. ED says no, you will have to go to appellate court, Bombay. We went to appellate court. In the appellate court, after 3 years, a clear verdict was not given. But what was said that Carl is convicted of 9 lakhs, David of 9 lakhs, and company 18 lakhs. About my confiscation, they never gave a clear verdict. So I came to High Court of Bombay at Goa, and I got a stay on that. Now, Srivastav, I went to ROC to see how is this person become a director. ROC Goa said, he does not have the power to investigate. You need a letter from Ministry of Corporate Affairs. I went to Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Delhi, and now got a letter to this ROC that he can investigate. He got the letter in April, and he has investigated, and he has given me a complete report. Complete. This is a high-end forgery. I'll tell you how it is. Not only a David Parker that the resolution is fake, Pramod Srivastav went to the extent of getting a DSC, digital signature of Edwin William, who was the additional director of the company. And the form says that he has come in person to sign and give it the DSC, and through that DSC, Pramod Srivastav has become a director. Now, ROC went to the extent to find out and found out through immigration that even Edwin Moraes was not in the country. Even that form was fake. Not only that, the notary was done on Edwin Moraes' form. ROC found out with the notary. It was somewhere in interior of Maharashtra. No notary was shown. They got in touch with them, and the notary gave in writing that he has not done the notary, he has not done any verification. So end to end, it is all fraud. Right from beginning to end, and now ED is looking out for them because of their FEMA violations. And Anjuna police station has filed an FIR against Pramod Srivastav and his son Amulya, because he also made himself as a director. So now Pramod Srivastav and Amulya Srivastav, they are on the run. Police are looking out for them. And this is a clear case of land grabbing. Everything is crystal clear. Immigration report, ROC report, court report, everything is on government system. So there is nothing, there is no escape for this. So this is one case where end to end people come from outside and grab properties under any extent, they go to any extent to get hold of these properties. So I just want to bring it to the notice of you so that the people of Goa are aware that how these properties are being taken by the outsiders. Here, I have got all the copies of here, I'll give you the copy. ROC report says that end to end he has committed forgery.
This is a clear case of fraud.
Fraud, yes sir.
Have you filed any police case?
Yes, there is an FIR also.
FIR is already registered?
Yes sir, yes. FIR is already
Can
registered.
you give that copy to
Yes, 100%.
When it was registered?
Sorry?
When it was registered?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have that copy.
I'll give you a copy. Sir,
So
this copy card.
you're alleging land grabbing. Without the local support, nobody can really do any such type of thing. So who do you think is involved?
No, this person Srivastav, he filed 2 FIR against my sale date. One in Bombay and one in Goa. Both the FIRs police have closed for no evidence, because he has come against my sale date. My sale date is genuine registered. I bought to a finance company. But he is just trying to find out some ways to trap and get the other back. Even what the case which Carl had filed with the court receiver was there, that case is also been dismissed. Court receiver has left, case is dismissed, and I am in the possession of the property.
Now at present it is in your possession.
Yes, right now it is in my possession.
Now what is the present status of this?
Present situation right now is that this person has to be, a legal course will be taking place.
What what is the interest of public in you giving this press today? What is the interest that you want? What do you want the public to know?
I want to know, I want to tell the people to know that to what level people go to take property. Now this, can you imagine, he takes someone else's DSE. He has got nothing to do with the company. काहीच ना, ते काहीच relation with the property. आता तुझी company, it's your company. I am coming and showing my resolution that I am the director. You have appointed me. Your signature is there. I forge your signature. I become the director. Okay? You are not even aware.
At least this Srivastava is related to some IAS officer.
Yes, sir. Definitely. He is related. That's why, without any proof, he managed to file 2 FIRs against him. And he has, with courts, the police investigated the matter and they have closed it. Today, the FIR has been filed against him.
Is this your allegation in the this is all Mongols?
Yes, see the modus operandi of what they do. Yes.
They are in relation with all these top officers.
Correct.
They are using their good offices and doing all this.
Correct. This, otherwise, how we can go? This Srivastava, he is not from Goa. He is new to Goa. But he comes to Goa and get into the system and try to take this property. Why do they do that? I'll tell you why do that. Because they feel Goans are little softer. They don't know the law well, and they don't bother to come up against them, and they are little easy type of people and peaceful people.
आणि तो विश्वास करतो.
चोड विश्वास होता त्या विश्वासाचा फायदा घेता लोक. आता तुम्ही किती सर, what I have presented here, I've got all the documents, which is not mine, it is on government record. ROC केमची report, ED चो report हा, ROC चो report हा, FIR ची copy हा, immigration चो report हा. Immigration report किती म्हणतात सर? किती बघतो त्यात म्हणता ना सर. This is what I am saying. This is what they do. ही FIR ची copy देतात मला. Now look at this, sir. ही रेझोल्युशन कॉपी 8 डिसेंबर 2016 तो म्हणतो आपल्याकडे डायरेक्टर केला आहे. 8 डिसेंबर 2016 ॲड्रेस इज अंजुना, रिसॉर्टाची ॲड्रेस. And this is pending report, police report from FRR. It says that David Parker left India in 2015 and never came back and was 16 as a resolution दाखवतो. So anything and everything they can do, and they think they can get away with it.
So how much property it is?
Sorry,
Property is
How big is
this
the-
is 3,700 meters.
And where is it exactly located? Where is it?
Chivar. Little near to that petrol pump, where the junction petrol bidor
In Anjuna.
Anjuna. It's a prime property.
How much worth of it?
Today it will be about 40 crores. My dear. Sir, not only that, besides, this has nothing to do, I've got another topic, I'll hold maybe another conference, maybe another week's time, similar like this. I'm from Chole, okay? I've got over 5 lakh meters land in Chole, belonging to my ancestors. And that I want to bring it to the press, because how people are coming against me also. Outsiders, they're coming against me to hold me. But my documents are registered in 1857, 160 years back. And the copies are also available in archives. For this, I'll talk maybe next week. But as for now, we're talking of this Anjuna. This is, sir, tell me one thing.
Is it your personal case?
Yes, this is because I own the property.
This is also similar cases with you.
The only property, sir. But there are, see how the outsiders are forming to come against me, and they are failing. They tried the stunts, put the point. But this is what I want to bring to the notice, that how these people operate. They are outsiders, and they've got nothing to do with that property. They are not invested any single rupee, but he wants that property. And how simple resolution. Now, who will go and find out?
This power.
Sorry?
Who had given this power to you? any?
Nobody is given. He has created the power himself.
How such a person can interpret it himself?
That's what I'm saying. He comes, he knows about the property, he knows about the details. There are people in and around who feeds him, who gives him information. Okay? Then information geta. And so now tell me one thing, on what basis can he say that this resolution was signed by David Parker? David Parker is not in the country. तेका कितें करूंक जाय एक रेजोल्यूशन कॉपी पेस्ट करता तो सिग्नेचर आणि यू डोंट इवन नीड ओरिजिनल ऑनलाइन फाईल केली इन ROC and yellow quota I'm appointed as a director and I'm the director and the property is mine. Now only when I got involved into this because it was my property I went and found out.
Now he is not been punished in this.
No, he is still at large. This is our system.
आणि किती जणांना
केला असलेला मग त्यात पण डान्स this are modus operandi. You can do one thing, you can do other thing also. So this is what I'm trying to say. It's a clear cut. Today his FIR is filed, he may get bail, but conviction is 100%. On what basis? There is no way he can escape here. Sogle record, government has a record, immigration has a record, and through unconfirmed sources. I will not confirm this. David Parker, ROC asked Srivastav, show the presence of David Parker in 2018. He could not show. Appellate Court, ED Appellate Court Bombay in 2022 asked him, show the presence of David Parker. He could not show. David Parker is not there anymore. But he still continues to be the director of that Carl David Resort. How can he be a director? He has not attended even one AGM for 5-6 years. And in major 70% of the share there's a Davida. If you go to the website of Carl David Resort, Holiday Resort Private Limited. So this is total fraud. Total end to end. Sogle astam sir, Sogle astam. Other, tell me one thing, on what basis he could file FIR against me? There was no ground, but he managed. File FIR then. Could end in the after investigation, the police said there was no evidence. Close killing. Sir, other there'll be names. Other picture now given it may not be right, but there are definitely powerful people who are into.
I mean, some politicians are.
Yes, definitely. Without the help of any known person, a powerful person, it's not possible. And he comes and uses his contacts of his, and they are there to help him. I don't know for reason best not to.
So what is your decision now?
Sir, justice has to be prevailed in any case. Okay. So here, what I am saying is that if you have any doubt about what he has created, you can ask me. I will show all clarification. So if there is everything is fraud, so then you have to take a call that how justice has to become.
The court order is still pending.
एक कोर्ट ऑर्डर झाली कोबा एक माझ्या फावरान येयली that court is dismissed. It is my ED has come again. The ED is also in my favor. I've got high court order stay on that. But the fines are still pending against them.
तुझी शिरकता कितें तुझी प्रॉपर्टी तुका कितें मेळटा
म्हाका कितें जाय न्हू सर वो मनीस प्रमोद श्रीवास्तव म्हाका केला हें दुसऱ्या कोणें करूंक नाका. Because this is his modus operandi. Not only he, it's a group of people operating. And if through this thing, FIR केला ताका जर arrest केलो न्हू, सगळे भायर सरतले. आता तो आपले ती यूज करता. FIR जाले आता थिता FIR. Someone, I'm following it up now with the press. Maybe the police will act. I don't know. That's the reason I say someone has to act. Otherwise, it will continue.
Which date did you file?
FIR is filed here, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
सर FIR की कॉपी आहे
WhatsApp केलं
केलं यांका विंका मशीन
ना डेट सांग
Date
त्या
सांगा.
कधी
सर 11/10/24 11 ऑक्टोबर 24 ऑक्टोबर
थँक्यू
थँक्यू